Konnichiwa everyone. This is Yu from Yuu-chan Japanese and this is Hiro-kun. So I host live Japanese lessons for my subscribers on Instagram, and in this video I'll be giving you an overview of our recent lesson about this topic. For the full version, please join our Instagram subscription. Are you ready for the class? Let's start. So today I am planning some lesson for beginner. For people who learn Japanese for the first time, I think they need to learn some structure, the basic structure. So today, first we're gonna introduce some the terms to learn, like grammar terms, and then we'll do some activity, and then we're gonna learn some basic sentence structure. So affirmative and negative sentences. And at the end of the class, I'm planning to get you guys to make some sentences about yourself, like two truths and one lie kind of thing. But anyway, so first let's get started with the parts of speech. Okay, so parts of speech, I think you guys are familiar with these. Some of you guys are familiar with this, but just reviewing this. So noun is a word to represent a person, place, or thing or idea. So it's the name of something. And verb is an action, occurrence, or a state of being. And then adjective and adjective. So in Japanese, we got two types of adjectives, adjective and adjective. And they both are adjectives, so those are the words that describe a noun. And adjective usually ends with an E. And it doesn't require a particle when it's used to describe a noun. It comes before a noun. But adjective, this is also an adjective, so it describes a noun, like big, small, but usually not ending with an E sound. And it needs the particle na when it comes before a noun. So we'll show some examples later, okay, after this. But yeah, we got two types of adjectives, and we have two types because they have different rules for conjugation. So we'll get to it. And adverb. Adverbs are to describe how, when, where, or to what degree an action or situation takes place. Particles. So I don't think English has a particle, but I think it's similar to preposition. Kind of similar. So it's a small word, and the particle itself doesn't have meanings, but it shows or indicates the relationship between words in a sentence. So if you have a topic particle, you can see that what word is the topic in a sentence. If you have an object marker particle, you can see which word is the object of the verb. And the last one is conjugation. So it connects words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Now, if you guys don't have any questions or opinions about this page, I want you to look at this, the other slide, the other whiteboard. So I got lots of words, Japanese words here, like this, 毎日, every day, 大きい, big, 好き, like, 家, house, 話す, speak. So now I want you guys to categorize these words into these classes or parts of the speech. So I think 話す is a verb. So let's put it around here under the verb. Yes. Yeah, so you can start moving around and you can click and move the words to the right class. Great! わー、できた。すごいできた。Yeah, we did it! Good job, everyone! Thank you so much! ありがとうございます。 はい。じゃあ、let's take a look at each category. So here, noun. We got 私、I, 花、flower, 猫、cat, 水、water, これ、this, 家、house, ピザ、pizza. So this, very good. So in the noun group, we got like these, これ、私. These are called pronouns. And pizza, this is written in katakana because it's a long word. Pizza is from another language. And for the verbs, we got these. It's not これ an adverb. Adverb かな。これ means this and it's a pronoun and the pronoun is a part of noun, I think. So adverbs are to describe an action. So これ this, I don't think it's an adverb. And then verbs, we got 話す、飲む、食べる、寝る、食べる、働く。So that's right. And sorry, I forgot to put, but we also have like する verb する do and also 来る to come. So because verbs can be categorized into 3 groups ね these する and 来る these are called group 3 and 食べる、寝る these are group 2 and these 話す、飲む、働く these are group 1. So verbs can be categorized into 3 groups. First, the irregular verbs that only has 2 verbs 来る and する. And if the verb ends with る it's usually group 2. And everything else is group 1. And you can tell that it's a group 1 if it ends with u sound, not ru. Right? There are some exceptions though. But anyway, so these are the verbs. Good job. So that's the basic sentence structure. Sentence, object, and then verb. We can add the adverbs like anywhere. Like you can say like every day, I eat pizza or I eat pizza every day. 私は毎日ピザを食べます。or 毎日私はピザを食べます。or 私はピザを毎日食べます。Like anywhere, but not the last. The last part must be a verb. And 私は can be omitted because it's implied. Yes, that's right. Yes, if we all know that we are talking about me, then we can omit it. We also maybe want to be, なんだろう、less assertive by not saying 私, I. So the sentence structure, very basic one, X is Y. So that's the formula. X は Y です。そう、私の名前はマイケルです。My name is Michael. So this is very simple. Subject, object, and desu. So what is desu? I didn't have desu in the whiteboard, but I think if I have to put desu in one of the categories, I think I would put it in verb. I know it's not a verb technically or grammatically, but we treat it like a verb. So it's like a be verb, is, or are, am. So you can say 私の名前はマイケルです。You can also say, you just say 私はマイケルです。ピザが大好きだよ。私も大好き。ピザ美味しいですね。Yes. そう、でも日本のピザはそんなに美味しくない気がするけど、I don't think Japanese pizza is that good. そう、off the topic, but Japanese pizza, we sometimes put pineapples on a pizza. Some people laugh about it. So, and then we got like tuna, like we put Japanese stuffed teriyaki chicken on pizza. So yeah, 私はマイケルです。Or you can say like 私は you can say like エンジニアです。エンジニア。Your job エンジニアです。Oh, you removed the pineapples on pizza? そうだよね。面白い。はい。ジャパニーズスタッフ。魚のピザが嫌いです。おーそうですね。トゥナとか、なんだろう、魚が入ってる時ありますよね。サーモンよく入ってると思います。I think salmon is a common topping on pizza. あとは私の妹。You can also add, adjectives here. 例えば、私の妹は何ですか？ Adjective 優しい。優しい。This is an adjective. To mean kind. 私の妹は優しいです。私の妹は優しいです。So, this X is Y. You can use a name or noun or adjectives. じゃあ、次。Now, it's a negative sentence. So, remember this, 何々です。私の名前はマイケルです。For the positive and for the negative, change this last です to じゃありません。じゃありません。Yes, I use this じゃありません because it's a polite sentence. And for the casual, do you guys know? If it's not a polite sentence, how would you say it? I'm not a student. じゃない。そうです。ですね、Andrew さん。Very good. Yes. So, じゃない means I'm not or it's not. How about ではありません。そう。ではありません。Yes, that's another way to say it's not in a polite sentence. So, let me put it here. じゃありません。or ではありません。This one is ではありません。You can use this one too. じゃありません or ではありません。Both are polite. So, these are both polite. But I think じゃありません is slightly less polite than ではありません。Because, yeah, ではありません is the most polite and じゃありません a little bit casual but still polite. And じゃないです。That's the casual one. じゃないか。じゃない or じゃないです。So yeah, you can use one of these words when you want to say I'm not or something is not.